Welcome to Setup Mastery, your go-to channel for all things tech. Here, we explore the latest gadgets, unbox cutting-edge devices, and provide step-by-step installation guides to help you optimize your setup. Subscribe now and join our journey to master the art of perfect setups. In this video, we'll show you how to manually set up the BT11AC Dual Band Wi-Fi Extender. It's perfect for extending your Wi-Fi signal to hard-to-reach areas, improving coverage and connectivity throughout your home in just minutes. Begin by unboxing your BT11AC Dual Band Wi-Fi Extender. Inside the package, you'll find the extender unit along with a quick start guide. Take a moment to review the guide for a brief overview of the setup process. To get started, plug your BT Wi-Fi extender into a power outlet located roughly halfway between your main router and the area where you're experiencing weak Wi-Fi. Ensure the spot is within strong range of your router's wireless signal for best results. Next, take your smartphone or laptop and open the Wi-Fi settings. Look for a new network name such as Wi-Fi XXXXX in the list of available networks. Select it and connect. No password is required at this point in the setup process. After connecting to the extender's network, launch a web browser on your device. In the address bar, enter 192.168.1.1. This will direct you to the BT Wi-Fi Extender setup page, where you can begin configuration. Next, the extender will automatically search for available Wi-Fi networks in your area. From the list that appears, select your primary home Wi-Fi network, the one you'd like to boost. Double-check the name to ensure you're connecting to the correct network. Finally, unplug your BT11AC Dual Band Wi-Fi Extender and reposition it halfway between your main router and the area with weak Wi-Fi signal. This placement helps boost coverage and ensures a stronger, more stable wireless connection throughout your space. If you run into any issues or need assistance, our team of experienced professionals is ready to help. Don't hesitate to reach out for support and guidance at any time. You can contact us at 1-323-507-3713. And that's all there is to it. You've now manually set up your BT11AC Dual Band Wi-Fi Extender. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to give it a like and subscribe to our channel for more easy tech tutorials. Thanks again.